Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my nails for you guys. I did refill them off camera. I will show you guys just a video dedicated to my current acrylic application, but I decided to skip that process just so the video is not too long. I did refill my nails. I had them on for about 4 weeks and 5 days. So I refilled, nothing was broke, nothing was lifting, and I just went in and shaped up my fishtail shape just a little bit more. Here you guys see me buffing my nails. That's my favorite part of doing nails. And then now I'm going in with some of my oils and just freshening up my cuticle so it's not crusty. I know a lot of people don't like to apply oil to their cuticle area before they paint and everything, but it is a game changer for me, and not all oils work the same. I'll go into a different type of video of what oils are really good for the cuticle area and will not cause lifting. So here I am going in with a 20-piece rosin kit from Amazon. OMG, I will just let y'all know it is not even like $30. This is, I believe, $18.20. Go grab it. It's a must-have. This is perfect for fall coming up. You have like reds, purples, oranges. Like, it's giving fall, Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's given all of those seasons, so you can definitely get a lot of use out of this kit. Me, as soon as I saw the red in the picture, I knew I wanted to go in with some reds. I had a great idea of something that I've been thinking about doing but never really, did it on my channel. So here I just went through the 2 reds that I liked that was in the kit, and I decided to go in with shade 10. Look how vibrant and opaque this shade is. It's gorgeous. I'm looking at it now, so if you can hear my nails kickity clacking in the background, I am like still in awe. I'm recording this video maybe 3 days after I actually did this look, but like I get so many compliments and everybody's like, where you get that red from? I'm like, oh, it's a kit. So I just, send them the kit. Like, even when I was at ShopRite, in the checkout line, this lady was like, I am obsessed with red polish. What is that on your finger? And it really is like a showstopper. So here I just went in. I am doing a French tip. I never really take my French tip down this far, but I feel like it just looked grown and sexy. Like, your nails just look like whoever did your nails, she know what she doing. Longer length nails look really good when you take the French tip down. So that's what I'm doing. And then I am going in with a liner brush that I will link down below. Is also from Amazon, and I am filling in that French tip. I do recommend these brushes. They are really good. I did go in and tweak mine, so it is not the way that it originally came to me. I am still looking for a thinner brush that is durable, so if you guys know of any, let me know. So yeah, here I'm just going in with a little bit of acetone. You want to make sure when you dip into your acetone that you do tap a little bit off on a towel, a paper towel, just so you don't cause your gel polish to run. So here I'm just repeating that same process. As you guys can see, there is like no editing as far as changing the way these shades look. This color is beautiful. It's actually sitting on my nail desk. It's not going back into my box because this will be the red that I'll be using when I do hearts and Christmas is coming. I don't want to have to dig through my collection and try to figure out where this red is at or what red I used. So yeah, she's definitely staying on top of my desk. So what have you guys been up to? I feel like I'm really not posting, and I do apologize. I am trying to grow my platform on my Instagram. It's a lot harder than I thought, especially when you do it the right way. You don't buy your followers, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, slow and steady does win the race. But here I'm just going in with the actual brush that came inside the polish and making sure I fill in my fishtail area, just because whenever I move my hands and I'm talking, I want the red to peek out all over. I don't want you to see any of my acrylic powder where it's not supposed to be shown. So here, just going in and perfect that. And I tried to leave as much of this in without editing, because French tips do take time, regardless of, what someone else might tell you, especially when you're hand drawing it. So don't be, too hard on yourself if you are having trouble with drawing French tip. It does take a lot of practice. I decided to leave my 2 fingers in the middle blank because I am going to go in with some foils on them. This look is really simple. It does look like I did a lot without doing nothing. Don't get it twisted. If you're a nail tech and you do nails, this took some time. So if you don't do nails, I don't want you to think like, oh, it don't take that much time, so why y'all charging X, Y, and Z? Girl, we got to get into a whole another video. I have a price list, from my local nail salon. I just want y'all to see what they charge in the nail salon versus what home nail techs are charging and why they charge what they charge. So look out for that video. Here I am going in. I have zero control over my pinky. You guys know, like, I be holding my pinky like, girl, it's your pinky. Turn it around. I have no control over it when I'm doing nails. So doing my pinky nail here was a little bit harder than doing the other 2 fingers that were French tip, just because I don't know how to hold my hand. I don't know. When I'm doing my clients' nails, like, I have zero problem with painting my own nails. It's like, girl, it's your hand, bend it. Like, my mind just can't get it to do what I need it to do. So here I'm just going in trying to perfect that. And I do have a little spillage on the side. Not a big deal. I just go in and clean it, like I said, with a tiny bit of acetone. The brush does not really have to be wet at all because you don't want the acetone to bleed down into your gel polish, and then you'll have a bigger issue there. So that's what I'm doing. It looks pretty good to me. These look so grown and sexy. These are just nice. Like, red just give a vibe anyway. Red polish just give the, sophisticated grown woman vibe anyway. So that's all I'm doing, just going in here and cleaning it up. I didn't realize I left so much of the footage in of me cleaning it up. But like I said, I really wanted you guys to see that it does take time to perfect whatever it is that you are doing. So don't be discouraged if you are at a point in your nail journey where you are struggling, rather it be you're still using a practice hand. Just take your time. Take your time and practice. And most importantly, whatever it is you want to learn, stay at it. If you want to learn nail art, stay at it. If you want to learn application, stay at it. You will get it. So here I am going in with my nail foil. If you struggle with nail foil, I don't know what you're waiting for. I've showed you guys numerous times how well my nail foil work. My website will be linked down below. The nail foil is the bomb. Like me, I'm obsessed with using... I'm sorry, y'all, motorcycle just rolled by. I'm obsessed with using foils now. Now, prior to me getting my own nail foil, you never used to see me use nail foils on my channel because all the foils that I had did not work. Even when I was seeking to get my own nail foils, I went through like 6 different samples until I found, the one that I was like, oh shit, she coming with me. This worked well. So here, when you apply your foil, make sure you clean the sides up. You don't want any spillage of anything, no matter what it is. And I'm going to go in with some cherry foils. These are also on my website, and I just cut a little piece. You don't need to go in with really large pieces of foil. You want to have control over the foil. You can use your hand, but I like to use this tool. This tool is also on my website just because you can get into little crevices and, you really could blend it out with this. I'll just say that. So you really don't need this tool, but it gets the job done. Like, it's not leaving anything behind. So here I just go in and do both fingers at one time. A key thing I like to tell everyone about using gel foils: stop watching YouTube videos and thinking all foils need to cure in your lamp for 60 seconds. That's not the reality. Read what's on your packaging and go according to that. My foils have to be, my gel foil has to be cured for 2 minutes in your lamp, and then voila, as you can see. And now I am going in with my diamond top coat, which is also on my website. I don't really have to do too much talking about this. You'll see throughout the video how high shine it is, and you'll also see at the end how it just looked like glass. This right here, once you put the top coat, is like, all right, we done. She looking good. I get really excited when I get to this point of doing nails because I know I'm done. I can see my client face like, oh shit, she really slayed my nails. I do have some videos. I know I keep saying this. They are in my phone. I just get discouraged with posting videos of my clients, especially when all of them don't cooperate when I'm doing videos. Like, they be on their phone, they be doing the most. I got to get a little stricter with like my phone policy, because I do have sometimes where clients are on their phones. Let me stop for a minute. Do you see the high shine I'm talking about? Like, yes, the high shine. They do be on their phone, and then by the time I get to their other hand, it's like dust all on my prep. I'm like, sis, I'm sorry. I'm going to get a little strict, because I would go on with an alcohol and a lint-free wipe and wipe it all off and put the prep back on. I'm not doing that anymore. Like, time is money, and I think I was being a little bit too lenient, and sometimes people will try to take advantage if they view you as quote-unquote a new nail tech, like, oh, she want my business. She's not going to say X, Y, and Z about whatever I am doing. That's not me. So, yeah, I do have a booking site coming, because I do have like a steady clientele now, and it's getting a bit overwhelming with them texting me. I do have people text me at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to be able to make it to my appointment tomorrow, or like, I just don't have time for that. If I have a booking site, they can just go right on there, pay their deposit fee. If you need to cancel, you go on the site. There's no need to text me, and I could express that on there. Like, my phone number is off limits. People don't know boundaries, so I have to, set those boundaries. And I encourage any nail techs that's listening to this that don't have a booking site, please set boundaries. If not, people will take advantage and run with whatever they're taking advantage with. So here I am also going in with cherries. I did have these on my site. They are sold out now. Once I posted this look on my website, these cherry foils and the cherry stones just went like haywire. People buy them. I do still have cherry foil available. So yeah, I'm just going in. This is also my glue stone glue. It is a no slip, so you can place your stones down, move your hands around some without curing them, and they're not going to fall off until you cure them in the lamp. And that's perfect for beginners if you're trying to figure out your stone placement and you need your stones to sit where the hell you put them at, so you can get your look together. So here, that's all I'm doing, and they are done. I'm going in now and just freshening up my cuticle area. Again, I believe this is essential, for 1, for pictures, 2, for videos, and 3, this is just like the icing on the cake. When you get done with your client, they know, like, all right, she putting that oil around my cuticle. I'm done. I get to look at my hands. So this is just it. So you don't want to skip this step, especially if you still see that it's like ashy or crusty around the cuticle area, which you shouldn't have at this point. But if you do, just go in with a little cuticle oil and basil. Can we appreciate the red polish though? The red polish is doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving cherry. Like, it's just cute. Can we appreciate the high shine top coat? You don't need to zoom in, but baby, look at the top coat. She top coating. The cherries, everything is just screaming like, I've been doing nails for 10 years. I know what I'm doing. But if you watch my video to the end, I just want to say I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.